Hi, hello, welcome one and all. Myself, Miss Nigar Kader Mujawar, M.Pharm in Pharmaceutics, Assistant Professor in Shri Baseb Mane, Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Ambabs, Women's College of Pharmacy, Pet Vadgaon, Kolhapur, affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Technological University, Loneri, Maharashtra. Now we will discuss about prescription. After that presentation, learner will able to learn, understand the meaning of prescription, know the function of prescription, understand the parts of prescription, apply filling and refilling skills during filling the prescription. Next, contents of the presentations are introduction, definition of prescription, parts of prescription in that date, name, age, sex and address of the patient, superscription, inscription, subscription, signatura, renewal instructions, signature, address and registration number of the prescriber, questions and finally quick quizzes. This is the brainstorming activity. We will evaluate ourselves through this one. After that, introduction of prescription. Prescription is actually a direct link between physician, pharmacist and patient. Prescription is accompanied by direction for pharmacist and for patient. Prescription represents a mechanism in the form of written information through which a treatment modality is provided to the patient. The prescription for each patient is a unique entity that designates a specific medication or medication for a specific patient at a specific time. Next, prescription may be entered into an electronic medical record system and transmitted electronically to a pharmacy. Alternatively, a prescription may be handwritten on pre-printed prescription forms that have been assembled into pads or printed into similar forms using a computer printed or even on plain paper according to the circumstance. After that, a prescription may be transmitted from the physician to the pharmacist orally by telephone. This practice may increase the risk of medical error. After that, we will see definition of prescription. This is the prescription. See this. Next, prescription is an order written by a physician, dentist, veterinarian or any other medical practitioner to the pharmacist to compound and dispense a specific medication for individual patient. The prescriptions are generally written in the English, but Latin words or abbreviations are frequently used in order to save time. So, it becomes necessary for pharmacists to become familiar with the Latin terms and abbreviations used by the physician. Next, functions of the prescription. First function, prescription can be used as a legal document. Second, it can be record source. It acts as means of communication. It is needed in case of therapy modality. It is means of medical control of therapy. It is means of clinical trial. All prescription order should be correct, unambiguous, without crossouts, and signed clearly for optimal communication between prescriber, pharmacist, and nurses. Next, types of prescription. There are two types of prescription. One, pre-compounding prescription. Two, extemporaneous prescription. Pre-compounding prescription, prescription for already prepared drugs by pharmaceutical companies. Example, capsule ciprofloxacin 500 mg, etc. Second type, extemporaneous prescription. The pharmacist prepare the medications according to the drugs and the dosage directed by the physician. Nowadays, not in practice. Next, parts of prescription. These are the important parts of prescription. 1, date. 2, name, age, sex and address of patient. 3, superscription. 4, inscription. 5, subscription. 6, signatura. 7, renewal instructions. 8, signature, address and registration number of prescriber. Next, first we see first part of the prescription, date. Written on the prescription by the prescriber means date written by the prescriber means physician. Every prescription must bear the date on which the particular medicines are prescribed to know when the medicine were last dispensed. To prevent the misuse of the patient by prescription, this helps the pharmacist to keep day by day. Means prevent the misuse. This misuse is done by the patient, so this can be prevented. Patients record in chronological order, which helps the pharmacist or a physician to refer the old case in future. The prescription which prescribe narcotic or other habit-forming drugs must bear the date so as to avoid the misuse of prescription if it is presented by the patient a number of times for the dispensing. Next, second factor, part of prescription is name. Patient's full name must be written instead of only surname or family name. For example, write a full name means Nigar Kader Mujawar. Not write down the surname like Mujawar or family names Bijli. This is not acceptable. Name helps the pharmacist to identify the correct. Patients avoiding any chance of giving the medicine to a person other than the one it is dispensed for. If it is not written, then himself should ask the patient about these particulars and put down at the top of the prescription. The prescribed medication is only for the patient whose name is on prescription. Medication should not be given to another patient even if the other patient has similar symptoms. Note, patient's full name must be written instead of nickname or surnames. Next part, age. Age of the patient becomes important in case of the pediatric means children and geriatric means old people cases, because the dose of drug in such cases varies due to their difference in ability to metabolize drugs. Hence, Dose of the drugs are calculated based on the age factor in such cases. Note for age is in some cases weight and height of the patient are also required. Next, sex oblique gender. Sex oblique gender of the patient also plays major role in prescription because dose of drugs may also vary based on the sex gender of the patient as their abilities to metabolize or response to us drugs may vary in many cases. Next, address of the patient. Address of the patient is generally record to contact the person at the latter stage or to deliver the medication personally. Next, superscription. Show this image. Superscription RX. Superscription consists of the specific direction to the chemist on how to compound the medication. This part of the prescription is represented by the symbol RX, always written at the beginning of prescription. In the ancient time, it is considered as a prayer to Jupiter, the god of healing, for the fast recovery of the patient. But now this symbol is understood as an abbreviation of the Latin word recipe, means take two, which means you take. In the days before manufactured drugs, apothecaries, who were also doctors, would write out a formula for medications. Another theory states the symbol RX is the symbol of Jupiter, god of healing. Instructions for preparation are also given, such as make a mixture, mix and make 10 tablets or dispense 10 capsules. Next, inscription. This is the fourth part of the prescription. It is a main part of prescription because this is the doctor order. It contains the name and quantity of the prescribed ingredient, and it also contains manner in which medicine should be taken. The name of each ingredient is written on a separate along with its quantity. The name of ingredients are generally written in English, but common abbreviations can be written in English and Latin languages. Next, inscription is divided into the following parts. Mainly three parts. Base, also known as the active medicaments. Second, adjuvant. Third, vehicle. Base, which are intended to produce the therapeutic effect. Adjuvant, it is included, used to enhance the action of medicaments or to improve the palatability of the prescription. Vehicle, it is included for dissolve the solid ingredients or increase the volume of the preparation. Next, in addition, for following three parts are enough care taken by the prescriber. Take attention or give the attention. Three parts are enough care taken by the prescriber. Use brand name. Remember that. Use brand name means proprietary name or generic name. International non-proprietary name. The medicinal substance are required to begin with a capital letter and to be in the genitive case. Second, the dosage form is placed at the beginning or after the drugs name names. Third, the dose is denoted after the medicinal products name. The strength of the medication is written in metric units. For example, tablet paracetamol 500 mg. Remember that. After that, 5 number of part, subscription. This part of prescription contains direction of the prescriber. Remember that. To the pharmacist regarding the type and compounding of dosage form along with number of doses to be dispensed. This is the important because of the drug also depends on the type of the dosage form. Next, 6 number part, signatura, also known as a transcription, also known as a signa. This part of the prescription contains, remember that, direction to the patient regarding the administration of the drugs. It is generally represented as sig, from the Latin meaning mark on the prescription. The instruction may include the quantity to be taken, how much, the frequency of administration, when and how, the mode of administration, the special instructions such as direction. After that, 7 number of part of prescription is renewal instructions. Renewal instruction, in this part, the prescriber whether the prescription can be renewed or not. Remember that. Renewed or not. It also should include the specification like how many times it can be renewed. It is of utmost importance in case of narcotic or other habitat forming drugs to prevent its misuse. Next, 8 number part of prescription is signature, address and registration number of the prescriber. The signature and registration number of the prescriber turns the prescription into legal and authentic order. Remember that, legal and authentic order to the pharmacist. This helps in preventing the use of spurious drugs. Registration number is of utmost importance in prescription containing narcotic drugs. Next, other important instructions. These are the other important instructions. Refills. In the refill, the prescription must include the number of refills permitted or no refills. Quantity or how much is in the package. Manufacturer or who makes the medication. Expiry date. Do not use the medication past this date. Do not save unused medication. If same patient get sick again, prescriber should be consulted. Next, take complete or full course. Patient should finish taking the entire contents of the prescription even if feeling better, especially patient taking antibiotics. This is to avoid recurrence of infection and development of resistance. Next, take with or without food. Means medication is to be taken after a meal or empty stomach. Some medication work better when the stomach is full, while some medication work better when the stomach is empty. Then the next, take 4 times a day, means to take the medication 4 times in 24 hours with equal time interval. It is different than take every 4 hours. If any confusion occurs about when to give the medication, one should consult doctor or pharmacist. Most medication do not have to be precisely timed to be effective, but some do. Next, take as needed as symptom persist means the medication can be taken when symptoms are present without consulting the prescriber. Next, additional information. In case of additional information, for example, safe storage instruction such as keep refrigerated, instruction for use such as shake well before use, for internal use only, for external use only. Possible side effects such as may cause drowsiness. Next, this is the sample format of prescription. There is a date. See this date. There is a name, age, address, inscription, subscription, refill, registration number, prescriber signature. This is the format, sample format of prescription. Next, questions. Which questions always ask on the prescription? Define prescription. Enlist parts of prescription. What is superscription? Define inscription with example. Define subscription with example. What is meant by renewal instruction in prescription? Then next activity is quick quizzes. Quick quizzes is a brainstorming activity. We will evaluate ourselves. Be ready with answer. Remember that. Be ready with answer. First question. Prescription is denoted by symbol A RX, B P, C X, D RRX. Next. 2. What does the symbol RX means? Remember that. Be ready with answer. We will discuss the answer. A. To take. B. Should take. C. How to take. D. What to take. Next. Third number question. Dot having parts like base, adjuvants and vehicle. Option A. Superscription, B. Inscription, C. Subscription, D. None of these. Fourth, dot is the specific direction to the chemist and the options are superscription, B. Inscription, C. Subscription, D. None of these. Next, fifth number question. How many types of prescription? A2, B3, C4, D5. And now answer sessions. Ready with your answer? And the answers are: a prescription is denoted by the symbol is RX. Next, what does the symbol RX means? You take. Dot having part like base, adjuvant and vehicle is, answer is inscription. Dot is the specific direction to the chemist and the answer is superscription. How many types of prescription? And the answer is 2. Thank you. Thank you one and all. Best of